Welcome students. So yesterday we saw how important is an organ named eye. So this eye is so important for our existence itself. Because if there is no eye, I told we cannot enjoy the beautiful world, we cannot see, we will not have vision. So we have to take care of our very important organ, that is eye. So take care of your eyes. Now on page number 84, if you see, there are some diseases and defects of the eye. Now what are the main diseases which is mentioned here? You have to remember diseases named night blindness. Night blindness is something which is caused where the person cannot have or does not have a vision during the night time, evening time. Xerophthalmia, myopia. So these names are there on page 84. Night blindness, xerophthalmia, myopia. Myopia means it's called as nearsightedness. You can see near objects but cannot see far objects. Next is hypermetropia, that is far-sightedness. You can see far but cannot see near. Glaucoma. Glaucoma is a genetic disease of eye. Cataract. Cataract is something which I think as you age, we say in Hindi it is motibindu. Some white, this black turns white, cataract. Your grandmother, grandfather, some of you must have done this cataract operation. Then color blindness. Color blindness is something where you cannot differentiate between colors. So these are the diseases of the eye or the defects of the eye. Defects of the eye, see, myopia and hypermetropia. That is defect of the eye which can be corrected by using some lens. So this is all about how to take care of your eye. I already told you yesterday. Now diseases and defects of the eye. Now we will go to the second or the next sense organ. That sense organ named, we are talking about which sense organ? Ear. So when we are talking about ear, just remember this ear is something you all know what is a ear. Ear gives you what is the main function of this ear? You are able to hear me, isn't it? You are able to hear me because of your functional ears. So main function of this ear is hearing. How we said for eye, vision. Say for our ears it is hearing. Not only hearing, sometimes it is also so one of the function is to maintain equilibrium of the body. Because see, in ear there is some fluid. As you move towards left side and right side, that fluid moves. And it brings us back to the equilibrium. So that equilibrium maintenance of our equilibrium of the body also is done by whom? Ear. Again, do not meddle with your ears. Don't play sharp objects and all. Don't keep in your ears. Because if ears are damaged, you will have ruptured eardrum. And when your eardrum is ruptured, you will not be able to hear. So that is a big damage to your ears. So take care of your ears also. Now we will see the structure of ear. So two functions of ear, hearing and maintains equilibrium of the body. That is a function. So we did function first. Now we will go to the structure of ear. So when you go to structure of ear, here we have the structure of ear here. So this part, this is our external ear. What you see? This part, this is our external ear. That means this is your external ear. Now that it is also called as ear pinna. What is it? So this is your ear pinna. This part, this is your ear pinna. Now what is the function of this ear pinna? For what do we have this ear pinna? Girls may think to decorate it with earrings or to decorate it with small ear decorations. No, ear pinna's function is not only that. It helps to focus or it makes all the sound waves concentrate into your ears. See? Like a funnel. You have seen funnel, no? For taking your oil and all, you have funnel. This shape, funnel. Funnel. So that your sound waves, because ear's main function is to detect the vibration. Vibration means sound wave. portion. Then the last, the important part, that is our internal ear. So this is just the model of the human ear. In diagrammatic way you have in your textbook, I think page number 84. So if you look at the page number 84 in your textbook, you can see the structure of ear. So external ear, we are calling it as what? Ear pinna. So what is the function of this ear pinna? It helps the sound waves to enter into what? To your ears, so that it can travel into the ear canal. Ear canal is also called as auditory meatus. Auditory. Audible. Your voice is audible. Yes, audible. Audible means you can hear. So here ear canal is auditory meatus. Now what is in this ear pinna? There is something which secretes wax. You have seen, isn't it? In your ears there are wax. Did you notice any time? It will be secreted inside your ears, in your canal, by this ear pinna. Now you may think, what is the use of this wax? Or sometimes oil also is secreted. See, that are all natural protective methods. Because of this wax, what will happen? There will be no entry of which objects? Any foreign objects like dust will not enter. But what we do, we take cotton bud and we sit and enjoy cleaning those wax. Wax should be clean, but don't go deep down. Because if you clean off all the wax, see, nowadays doctors are suggesting this wax is very good to keep your ears healthy, so that there will be no entry of any foreign particles or dust particles into your ears. So do not go deep down cleaning. You clean the external part of your ear, but don't go very deep down. You may damage your which drum? Eardrum. So that is very important layer, is that eardrum is ruptured. You will not be able to hear. So did you understand the main parts of the ear? External ear. First part, external ear. External ear or ear pinna. Then comes the which canal? Ear canal. You can look at the figure 6.2. Second, ear canal is also called as auditory meatus or auditory canal. Next one is the middle ear. Now when we come to middle ear, it is having the one function. This middle ear amplifies the vibration. I told you, vibrations are being concentrated by this external ear or ear pinna. And what does this middle ear do? It magnifies. Magnifies means enlarge the vibrations. Did you understand vibrations? What I am saying? So that vibrations, so that it will get into your ears. So middle ear does the work of amplifying. You have seen amplifiers, no? Amplifier, where the sound is getting double. So amplified, the vibration received on the tympanum membrane. Now what is this tympanum membrane? That is the layer which is present here near this ear canal. One layer is there, or that is called as a eardrum. It is present between, now see, this ear canal is present between external ear and internal ear. Internal ear or middle ear. So here the ear canal location is between external ear and middle ear. And it has one membrane that is called as tympanum. Tympanum or what is it? Eardrum. Now for this one activity is there on page number 85, activity 8. For that you need one funnel. So take a funnel, at this open wide end place one balloon, you know balloon, enlarge, stretch a balloon, tie it with a rubber band, and from this upper end pour some rice grains, and from this open closed end, narrow end, you just shout oh or something. What will happen? What can you observe here? The balloon area, the rice goes and vibrates there. You can hear the vibration when you shout there. Same, this is the function of our ear pinna or external ear. So do you understand external ear? Then we talked about ear canal. Then we came to middle ear. Middle ear, when they come, there are chain of 3 bones. See, ears are just like a cartilage. Cartilage. Most of the times, maybe in school days, many of the teachers must have squeezed your ears, isn't it? All are recollecting those days. So this is a bony structure, but it is cartilaginous. Now when you come to middle ear, there are 3 bones. They are called as malleus, incus and stapes. So which are the bones present in the middle ear? Malleus, incus and stapes. These are the 3 bones present in the middle ear. So did you understand the middle ear? Now there is one important thing. There is a window here. Oval window will be there, which will connect this middle ear to which ear? Inner ear or internal ear. So now what is this internal ear, which is a very important part of the ear, we will see in the next class. Thank you.